welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Tatton VW still. We're going to have a look at this pretty sweet yellow, correct colour, Mark II Golf. So let's go. Okay, here with James and his pretty sweet PD150 Golf. Tell us about, well, first of all, James, I want to know, how did you get into Mark II Golfs?
George's uncle, basically. So when I met her, sort of thing, he had a Monza Blue Mark II sat on his drive outside. I was like, yeah, that is pretty cool. Started looking for one, bought me red one that you've seen.
Yeah.
And eventually got the opportunity to buy this one.
And you bought this from, was it Paul?
Yeah.
Yeah, Paul, yeah. So what you got here? So it's a PD150.
So yeah, PD150, standard turbo, probably running about roughly 200 brake-ish. It's got Porsche 312s on the front, braking wise, and then it's got the vented rays off the Mark IV Annies or R32s.
Oh, nice.
2.5-inch exhaust.
I want to know, is your inlet functional?
Not yet.
It's not?
Not yet. I've got a set of, I think they were called Viking ducts or something, to go in to replace them ones.
See, you confused me before. It's got this radiator pipe here. I thought
Boost
pipe, right? I thought that was coming into your intake.
No, it just runs underneath.
Ah, okay. Cool. So where would that intake come? Will that come onto the back of here or the side or front?
They're vents for the brakes.
Ah, for the brakes, right, of course. Yeah, you got those little...
Yeah.
I've got some in there somewhere. Just dig them out. Cool. And what you're rocking inside the interior is pretty interesting, isn't it?
So it's got... I'll have to open it. It's got Evo, I think the SR1 Recaro seats in, Mark IV Golf, R32 race seats, OMP 300mm wheel.
Are your gauges functional?
No, they are.
The
boost one works, that's about it.
Yeah. So what else you got there? Got a clock. Battery voltage.
I've got a voltage one, an oil pressure, a clock, and oil temp, and a boost one.
Nice. Do you know what colour yellow this is?
Liquids yellow, half the Megane RS.
It's a dark... Oh, right, okay. It's a dark yellow than what's on the lemon.
Yeah.
But I like it. It's really nice.
Oh, and I've got G60 leather cards as well.
Nice. Oh, are those the same as mine?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, hang on, you got what is interesting door pods you got?
Oh, they were very homemade.
Oh, really?
Very homemade.
They look great.
So it's standard Mark II door tray thing. With basically a piece of MDF screwed to the front and then just, shaped to fit. And then it's covered in like some...
Oh, right, you've wrapped it.
Yeah. Suede stuff.
That's a great idea. Works well.
Yeah, it does the job.
Nice. Well, it's good to see it on the road.
Yeah, it's about time.
Well, you've got a pretty interesting red Mark II, which we'll come and do a proper video on when that's all done.
The project.
Yeah, and that's cool, pretty cool. Oh, cheers, dude.
Yeah, no, it's all right, mate.
There's guys, know what you think of this car in the comments below. See you in a bit.
No problem.